Hello everyone. Now let's learn the phonic sound of the letter H. Letter H says, what's the action? Letter H says, let's begin with the story for the same. It is the school's summer fun day. In the morning, the children do fun things in the classroom, and in the afternoon, there are races. Helen, Harry, Hanif, and Harriet are in the hopping race. Mr. Heath starts the race. 1, 2, 3, go, he shouts and waves his hat in the air. Helen, Harry, Hanif, and Harriet hop as fast as they can. It is a hot day and hopping is hard work. Harriet is huffing by the time she finishes. Says Harriet. Miss Hopkins gives everyone huge drinks to drink. So what's the sound that they do when they hop? They do right? So let's sing the song for the same. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. So when you hop, you make the sound. So H says,